Time to eat again. I'm hungry, as usual. I've been seeing these commercials about a Philly cheesesteak pizza. Forget who it's from, one of these fast food places. I thought, that's kind of skimpy. And I looked, and I did have that a few times. And it is kind of skimpy. So I'm gonna make my own skimpy. Okay? My own Philly cheesesteak pizza. Gonna get this dough stretched out somewhat. Got an onion, cheese whiz, my own steak sauce, little mozzarella, and some steak-umms. I like them. I like them steak-umms. You can use whatever kind of steak you like. All right, let me stretch my dough out and cut up that onion, fry it up a little bit, and fry up that steak. I'll be right back. I'm gonna stretch this out into a pan about that big, see? 12-inch pan. Pizzarella. I couldn't find my mustache. You gonna fit? We're gonna fit. We're gonna fit. We're gonna make it fit. Hang on, I'll get it. Puppy sloppy today. All right. Well, it's gonna be my cheesesteak pizza. All right, you hear my meat sizzling over there? Mm-hmm. Whew. Oh yeah, see that? I ain't skimping on mine. Check those commercials out, they're skimpy. You know they're skimpy. Skimpy, skimpy, skimpy. Put a ladle of my steak sauce down there. You can put any kind of sauce you like, or none at all. Ladle, ladle. Not too much now. Gonna be good. That's all from me, ain't it? Ain't it? Boop, boop.
All for you.
That's what I said. Mm-hmm. All right, enough sauce. I'm gonna put some mozzarella on, which I put on my cheese sticks, but not everybody does. Oh, they have green peppers on theirs, which I don't want on mine, so I'm not gonna put it on mine. How's that sound? I have the oven preheated to 450 degrees. This is gonna be good. I didn't forget the cheese whiz. It comes at the end, don't worry. Enough? Let me get this meat over here. Hear it? Hear it sizzling up? I'm gonna burn my hand off now. Ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? Let me get a grabber. I'd like to use my hands, but here we go. No skimping. No skimpy. For Papa Ricky's. Put some onions on there. Look at that. Look at my cheesesteak pizza pie. You could add or subtract whatever you want. You can put hot peppers on here, which I might like. You can put some whatever you like on there. Pickles, I don't know. But we ain't skimping. Oh, now that's a Philly cheesesteak pizza. It's gonna go in the oven for about 10 minutes. All right? And the pan's not hot yet, so I can do this. Woo! In the oven, come on. Oh, yes. Back soon. Oh, that's gonna be so good. I can't wait. You want some? Sorry, it's gonna be all gone soon. Right back. All right. It smells delicious. And I know it's done. Woo! It's hot in there. Mamma mia! Oh, it's the ultimate cheesesteak pizza pie. Look at this. Oh, hang on. Woo! Listen to the sizzle. She's talking to me. I'm gonna let this cool a little bit if you don't mind. Nice though, look. Whoa, let that cool. I'm gonna heat up my cheese whiz. I'm gonna pour it around top like that. And that's gonna be good. Cheese wet. Let me heat this up. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Okay, this pizza is still 143 degrees. Oh. Melted my cheese whiz in the microwave. Look at this. What do you think? A little bit more of a Santa Claus. Hey, stop it back there.
It looks good.
A little bit more of a Santa Claus. More of a Santa Claus. A little bit more of a Santa Claus. That's my Philly cheesesteak pizza pie. How is it now? Pretty warm. Dipping sauce. Oh. All right. A couple more minutes there. Get my frosted beverage ready here. Saturday night. Hang on. A paper plate. A bottle cap. Ooh, hey, you did not. Ouch. I learned that one day. All right. Ultimate. Now that ain't skimpy, like the commercial. Are we ready? We're ready. We're ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Eddie. Oh. Mine, oh mine. Can't have any. This is good. We're supposed to have a big snowstorm too. We got about 5 inches earlier today. They're calling for another 10 tomorrow. I'm glad I'm stuck in here with this good food, huh? Stranded. Woo! Get a hunk of this out on my plate. Yes. I want 2 pieces to start with. Begin at the beginning of all the dotted line. Here we go. Don't burn myself. Ah! Burn myself. Yes. Yes. Mamma mia! Were you taking my picture? Cheese! Extra cheese! Paparazzi in my kitchen. Mozzarella! Alright. Still don't want to burn my mouth. Oh. Do I? Crust is nice and crusty. Hear it? Cheese is good and cheesy. Remember I got mozzarella in there, I got onions in there. Don't want to burn myself. Don't want to get one of them pizza blisters. Do I? Now check the picture of that ultimate Philly cheesesteak pizza on TV. Or I don't even know if they call it ultimate, but this I do. Ooh. Oh, so good. A lot of meat. The crust is good and crunchy. Oh, the cheese whiz sets it off. The onions in there. I could put mushrooms on there too. I have some. You know it's going to be better to handle and eat when it cools a little bit, but I just can't wait, and I want to show you. Oh. Woo. All right. Make yourself a cheesesteak pizza if you want to. Make it your style. Put green peppers on there. Put hot peppers on there, whatever you like. It's so good. Your family will love you for this. You can even put pepperoni on top here too. It's so good. Remember this mozzarella down there? That cheese whiz sets it off on top. Steak sandwich. Hope you don't get snowed in. I hope you're sitting by the pool. Are you, Julie? Julie's sitting by the pool. Hi. Pretty soon, maybe. All right, everybody, thanks a lot. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Oh, sorry back there. You all right?
I'm okay.
You're gonna have to wear a helmet for this. I'm gonna eat about half of this. One more. See ya. Bye.